Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had some odds and ends to get done around the house today, and I thought I would bring you along with me. I started out with switching my washer and dryer around and just getting a load started.
And that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't.
This is my go-to laundry detergent combination, and also that is the softener I use. It's kind of a set, and then those are little fragrance boosters that are a bit like Unstoppables, but more of a natural version. Next, I moved upstairs to the kitchen area and just got the dishes done and loaded the dishwasher, all of that good stuff.
Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. Should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love?
When I was done in the kitchen, I moved upstairs to the playroom, just kind of picked it up so that when my girls got up from their nap, everything would be fresh and clean for them to play again.
Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul,
Then I went ahead and took Aunt Fanny's vinegar glass spray bottle, and I actually just used it over their chalkboard. The little bit that was left was actually put on there with crayon. I just haven't taken a Mr. Clean eraser and cleaned it up.
doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't
Moving downstairs, I just picked up the living room. My girls are constantly taking the blankets and pillows off of the couches and rolling around on the floor with them.
We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I have been loving this all-purpose cleaner. It's from Grove and it smells so good, and you guys see how big the bottle is. It really is a great deal for the size of bottle. And my girls like to use this little heater as their step stool to look out the window, especially whenever daddy's coming home and people are coming in the driveway. It's their little lookout. So there was lots of toe prints all over it, and I just washed it up and the wall in front of it as well, and then finished dusting. All right, so this was actually the next day, and I just made the bed, also kind of vacuumed up in this room.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do.
I love lighting candles after I've been cleaning. It makes everything smell good, and it just brings an ambiance to the room. So I go between the Aunt Fanny's glass cleaner and this glass cleaner. This one is from the actual Grove line of things. You pick out your glass bottle and the colored sleeve, and then you get the concentrate and mix it up, and it does a really great job.
Wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you.
And next, I got my laundry tackled. I had quite a few loads this day and decided to watch some YouTube. So I was watching Lynette Yoder's latest video and just getting everything folded up.
I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby,
Thanks a lot for watching, you guys, today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a like for me, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.
Wouldn't know what to do.